Hi, Romel.
Nagising kasi nag-hi si ano eh. Narinig niya. Narinig niya.
Okay.
Guys, but I wasn't there. I didn't witness it.
Paano ba yun? Ako lang magpapala.
Come on, why don't you go inside for now?
Hindi, ako na lang.
Ikaw na lang. O, kasi ikaw yun nandun eh. I wasn't there, so...
Wala ka talaga.
Honestly, I wasn't there. But I heard everything because I was actually talking to someone and...
Pero narinig mo.
Not really. What are you doing? Hey, wait. I want to see something. Show them something. This is her. Before. She looks very pretty. And then the after is that. She looks very...
Handsome.
Should prefer being called handsome, huh? Not pretty or beautiful. Why is that?
Because I'm handsome. What? I don't know why.
Okay. So guys, let me show you that picture again. So that's her before. And now that's her. That's a great difference. Big difference, right? Look at her outfit. Hip hop. She had a gender change, you know, operation. Where in Hong Kong? Joke. Just joking. That I don't know. Pero since wala naman kasi ako doon, ikaw na lang gumawa ng
Parang
IR.
narinig ka.
I'll tell you everything later na lang.
Pwede ba yung kasi sabi ni Miss Red, mas probably higher yung
Kasi I wasn't there physically. So.
But you heard.
I heard it from another person.
You can try. Parang moving na yung sabi ko.
Pero you still have to make the IR.
I will.
Since you're the one that has a complaint
I will complain talaga.
against the person.
I will. Kasi naman.
That's Batinga Edelberto.
Edelberto!
Don't hide yourself. No, I want everyone to see how cute you are. Nash, come on. See? Look at him. He's very handsome. Look at that. Come on. It's not a joke. He does look like one of those, you know that F4, right? Only if you have a longer hair. Ay. Sige na nga.
Tama na.
Ay, nandito pala si Jeff na ko.
Ayun.
Sige guys, we have to continue with our discussion. Bye. Uy, babay na. Uy, babay na.